Now I am going to discuss with you one of the very important law, that is law of total probability. When it is required to apply and what is this rule? Law of total probability states that if S be the sample space, you know well what is sample space? Group of all elementary events, and E1, E2, E3 dot 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 En be n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. You are well clear about mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Mutually exclusive means nothing is common in the events, and exhaustive means if their union is made, they are equivalent, they are equal to our sample space. If two or more events are such that so that their intersection is phi and their union is equal to sample space, then such events are said to be mutually exclusive and exhaustive. For example, if a die is rolled getting one event even numbers, another event odd numbers, nothing is common and their union is the sample space. So these two are what mutually exclusive and exhaustive. I want to discuss in detail that what is the law of total probability. Let S be the sample space and E1, E2, E3, En be the n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events associated with some random experiment. If A is any event, there is an event, separate event A which may connect with any of the event E1, E2, E3, or you can say it is connected with everyone E1, E2, E3, En. Then what is the getting the probability of A? The formula of law of total probability, that probability of the event A is equals to probability of E1 into probability of A by E1. Probability of E2 into probability of A by E2, probability of E3 into probability of A by E3 plus dot 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 probability of En into probability of A by En. This way we can calculate the probability of any event. Here if I give you example, suppose there are 4 bags. In the first bag 2 orange 3 apple, in the second bag 5 orange 6 apples, in the third bag 10 orange and 20 apples. So we can pick any bag and from any bag we can pick either orange or apple. So this way if we discuss, we see that E1, E2, E3 are the events of selecting the bags, and out of these selected bags A is the event of getting apple suppose, then such problems can be solved where we can apply the law of total probability that the one of the bag is selected and from the selected bag an apple is required to come. So A is the apple is required to come and E1, E2, E3 are the events of the selecting any bag. So such problems we deal with the law of total probability. For that the formula is probability of A is P of E1 into P of A by E1, P of E2 into P of A by E2, P of E3 into P of A by E3 dot 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 P of En into P of A by En.